wanted to quickly unpack all of this and show you all what this is. So we met Sophie's ex-tuition teacher and she very sweetly has sent so many lovely things. We are anyways very excited. तो ये bag में आया है ये सारी चीजें and let's just check them all one by one. Sophie, are you excited?
Yes.
Who's going to remove from the bag? Okay, let's remove. Okay.
OMG, what is this?
Okay, so I'll tell you. So these are stickers. Alright, see this. Pull apart the double-sided tape on the small sheet's back and stick it according to it. So you see?
Yeah.
And butterfly flowers. So this will help you in some sort of craft work. See, there are petals. So this is the first thing. It's foam material. So हमको फिर ये भी एक आया है. This I think we can put up on the Christmas tree. So yes, we have these which are colorful balls and it will go very good on the Christmas tree.
And then this.
Okay, what's this? Oh, this will also go well on the Christmas tree. एक second, Fiona का आवाज आ रहा है. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, so Fiona अकेले अच्छा नहीं लग रहा उसको. She wants to also come with us on the camp. Yes, चलो, we'll see what all gifts your sister has got.
Now this.
Okay, what is this? It's a toy, I guess.
And this whole big bag.
1 sec, one at a time, huh, baby? Oh, they are stuck to each other, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, there are these cute little things. It's kind of like a toy, a squishy.
I think we need to like remove everything and like make them into like different things,
shape
like
could
a
be,
magnet.
yeah, could be. 1 second, no? Just pack this one at a time, sweetie. Let's keep this here.
And
These are pom-pom balls.
this.
So these are some craft items.
OMG, pipe cleaners I always wanted.
They are not pipe cleaners. You can use them for some craft.
Oh, and more pipe cleaners.
Yeah, so keep them all together. Maybe they are not pipe cleaners. They
No,
look like...
Americans call them pipe cleaners.
Okay.
And this.
This also, yeah. Don't take one item out. Show me. I'll take it out.
And then there is this.
Okay, these are lovely flower.
Wow, they are so good.
So this will be very helpful for craft work. They are petals and shape of flowers.
What's this, Mama?
It's a pouch and in this there are these cute little butterflies.
Aww.
Lovely things, now. I'll just take one out and show. Cute the
What? Mama, can I hold it in my hand?
stickers.
Oh, they are pattern instruction.
They are just stickers, babies. Round circle stickers. Wow, these are lovely stars.
I love them. Can I like stick them on the Christmas?
No, you can't stick them on the Christmas tree, but you can stick them on a card or something that you can make. Okay, so some more art and craft items which we love a lot. Actually, ये bindis है which we can use for craft and also I think yeah मुझे अच्छा लगा actually ये मैं बहुत time से ऐसा bindi you know I wanted because traditional कपड़ों पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है color के हिसाब से to wear. Nice, a pack of all of that. This is the same thing. Okay. Blue tacks. Okay. So this is, you know what a blue tack is? It's like a gluish kind of a thing which you can stick at the back and stick it to the wall. What else?
And then there's this purse.
So there's this lovely cloth bag with these lovely butterfly petals kind of things which you can put on the bag. But it's overall a very cute bag just that way, just like that. Looks nice the way it is. You know, just a quick thing to carry and go. It's very nice bag. I love the color.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the things that you can use to stick on the bag. Okay, put them in the bag. Oh, this is so good.
Gee, I love this purse. I always wanted a sequiny purse.
You got one.
Yay.
It's a lovely sling bag, which you can put up on the Christmas tree. Wow, this is also a nice
Purse.
potla bag, you call it. Very nice one. Wow, very nice. With some of traditional clothes, na you can see, you pull it this way and you can carry it. Nice. What else?
Then there's this pouch with
It's not a pouch, it's like a bag. There's this bag. Okay. Nice. Yeah, good. You can use it for any of the classes that you're going for, no? You can put all your books in them and a sling bag. Nice. Okay. Now
Oh, they are like this kind of like, see, one
you move it and then it,
yeah.
the eyes open
Close
and
and
close.
close.
Nice. Realistic it looks. Same
And
one.
then there is the same one.
Same one. Very nice. What else do we have? This is a writing pad.
Yeah, finally got a writing pad.
She was using mine, so I also used to appear for exams, and the one which I had given her was totally damaged, destroyed. And अभी वैसे भी schools चल नहीं रहा था ना, तो we didn't really require one. But now when she gets these tests, even in an online class, तो ये बहुत helpful होगा, I'm sure. It's a nice bag. I love the color.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Like this, like one.
Oh, it's this way. Lots of bags. Yeah, so big, small. Very good. Nice color also.
Yes.
Very nice. There's a compartment inside also. See,
Wow.
there is a zip, so you can put something like a paper or a personal item. And this is a. Come in, leave, baby. Come. This is a folder. What else?
And then there's this
Another writing pad.
writing pad.
Wow. Nice one. Princess.
And then there's this origami. I always want to do origami.
Origami, yes. So lots of stuff that you can make using paper craft. So you've got lots of papers to do that. Oh yeah, I'll tell you, these are separators. So get more, there are more like the similar ones.
Science.
Yeah.
Hey, I know.
So if you have paperwork, right, so you have separators. So this is social studies. Then you have comprehension. So you basically put those papers in this and you have like this put in front of it. So you know now next to below this whatever papers are there, they are comprehension ones. And there are science ones. So you keep getting tests from school na. तो वहाँ पे ये बहुत helpful हो जाएगा. Then there's maths. Then there's mental maths. And it has nice Harry Potter stickers, Superman. These are the cars. See Harry Potter, English literature. So this will be very helpful. What happened, baby girl? What happened, sweetie pie? What else?
Wow.
So there's more craft items, lovely ones. So there are these flowers along with some grass. Nice. I'm sure all of this will be very useful and helpful. ये देखो बहुत मजा आएगा इन सब चीज़ों के साथ में क्राफ्ट करने. And ये है room decor. It's a nice butterfly kind of a wall sticker. इसमें यहाँ पे mention किया हुआ है different ways of how you can use it on the walls. Nice.
And then there's this.
Oh, lovely. Sure. Nice. You can use it like a lunch bag or something.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's quite nice. There is this bag.
And then there's
Letter holder. You'll have to make it. It's a craft kind of an item. Anything else? Done. Great. So we've unpacked the whole bag of gifts that Sophie has got. So Sophie, what do you feel looking at all this lovely stuff?
It is so nice. I've got two paper pad. I like them
Exam
a lot.
pads.
Exam pads. I like them
So
a
I
lot.
think there are quite a lot of stuff that she has got, and I'm now going to end this video. As you can see, Fiona is a little cranky. So before we end this vlog, हमको बस एक thank you कहना है to Natasha Miss for sending such lovely stuff for baby. So what do you say, Sophie girl, in the camera?
Thank you, Miss Natasha, for sending such lovely things. I know this will be very, very helpful. It will be very fun to do a craft with the things you have sent. And thank you a lot.
Thank you so much from us, Miss Natasha, for giving such lovely things to Sophie and thinking about her. So yes, इसी से मैं करती हूँ वीडियो एंड आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. कुछ भी अच्छा लगा हो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द लाइक बटन एंड ऑल्सो जाने से पहले यूट्यूब से निकलने से पहले वो रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलना. Sorry, I have to cut this video short, but I hope you all liked what you all saw. Please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Bye everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. also gave.